You're going to absolutely hate me for this one. See if you've set a goal that you're going to learn Irish in 2026 and you haven't signed up for Irish lessons yet, you are running out of time because a lot of them are starting. But you know what? I completely understand. That's why I've been recording these sessions where I'm practicing with myself, and as soon as I know that I've got it right, then I post them up and put them in this beginner's Ulster Irish course. This is for free from me, a learner, just as another way to, one, document my own progress, and two, give you a taster of what beginner's Ulster Irish lessons are all about. If you've been able to follow any of my videos, then you will do absolutely fine in an Irish course. And when you go on those courses, you get a lot of help from professionals who've been teaching for years and have years and years of experience in the language and can answer any of the questions that you have. Whereas me, I only started learning. If you look at where I am now and see where I was back in September, I've grown massively. I'm a lot more confident. I have a lot of the basics under my belt, and I'm going to build on that every single day. But that is for me to reach my goal. Pick your goal, whether it's just being able to say hello and goodbye, or it's going and ordering a coffee in the shop, or it's going and ordering a meal in a restaurant, or it's writing a Christmas card and understand that Nolly or Nolly Dave aren't actually people. That's somebody wishing you Merry Christmas. Whatever it may be, make your goal. And if there's something I can do to help you, pop it in the comments below. I have went through every excuse in my head to put off learning. And as a previous educator, I've helped people get through barriers of learning before. Enough of that. For those of you still here, welcome to another beginner's Ulster Irish lesson with Dan. Jan Crack, welcome back. Smash it down, you know that by now. Now, I've been teaching you lots of different questions, but I've sort of been keeping them to the KJ as much as I possibly can do. I want to teach you a couple of the other of the question formats. So, KJ itself is just what? Then you have this one here, K, like in K Hussa, K, and that's who. K Hussa, who are you? This next one is Kur, Kur, Kur. Suppose it's Kaur, 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 but you can pronounce it Kur, like a Coors Light. You know this one, KJ More, KJ More. And whenever you see that being used at the start of a sentence, that's how. Kahach, Kahach, where? Kadhiga, Kadhiga, why? Kentam, Kentam, and that's what time, Kentam. Kentoi, 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 and that is how, how. So just to use some of these and put them into some sort of everyday examples for you. Kajay, Kajay Tattoo, what are you? So Kajay Tattoo Igiri, what are you doing? Keita, 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 who is? Kuratatu, Kuratatu, when are you? Kuratatu, when are you? Kajay Maratatu, Kajay Maratatu, how are you? Catchawiltu, Catchawiltu, where are you? You can absolutely shorten that to Cowiltu, Cowiltu, but Catchawiltu. Kentamawiltu, Kentamawiltu, what time are you? Cadhega Cadhega. What do you think Cadhega is? Give yourself a second. If the last one, Kentamawiltu, if that's what time are you? What is Cadhega? That is why are you? Why are you? If you got that, fantastic. Now, it's been a while since we had one of these, negative. So, Cadhega Knockwill Cadhega Knockwill Cadhega Knockwill Cadhega Knockwill. Why are you not? Why are you not? I think that's where we'll leave it for now. Thanks as always. Slam for now.